Get in the spirits of giving with this Stenciled Wine Bag Project from Oak Lane Studio. First, spray the backside of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive and wait a few seconds for it to become tacky. Position the stencil and press into place. Shake your bottle of Americana Acrylic Paint in Slate Gray prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Next, add an equal amount of fabric medium. Using your stencil brush, stir until completely blended. Remove excess paint, first using the edge of the plate, and then by swirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. Too much paint on the bristles might cause it to bleed underneath the stencil. Apply the paint mixture through the stencil using the same swirling motion. Continue adding numerous light coats until the color is rich and uniform. Once complete, carefully peel away the stencil to reveal your stylish new wine bag.
For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com today.